To do analysis, go to Statistical Genetics and choose MGIDI Analysis. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the treatment column. Next comes the Quantitative Variables column and then select the quantitative variables. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF or HTML formats. The MGIDI Index tab displays the MGIDI value for every genotype, where lower index values indicate genotypes that are closer to the ideal genotype across all evaluated traits. Based on the selected selection intensity, the best performing genotypes are automatically identified and ranked, enabling efficient and reliable multi-trait genotype selection. The GameM tab presents the detailed mixed model analysis, including ANOVA, variance components, genetic parameters, and BLUP-based predicted genotypic values that form the basis for MGIDI analysis. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Plots and Graphs tab to create rank or index plot, correlation plot, selection, differential plot, variance plot. In the AI Interpretation tab, RAISINS Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. If you have any doubts, click FAQs